G'day and welcome back. These are the dried out salts from my desert trip, and it was interesting to see the different crystals forming. Seems to be some nitrates around the edge there. You can see those long ones. They're indicative of nitrates, probably various kind of nitrates in there, and also a lot of sodium chloride. But yeah, that was interesting, wasn't it? But I've got something else to show you. This is a little plasma ball I purchased, and I had no idea that it's just a super high voltage, very low current generator. And if we turn it on, it does all the normal things. Just got it running on batteries here. Hang on, I'll just turn it on. There we go. As you can see, beautiful, does everything people, want it to do. But there was something I found very interesting. The first thing is that, where was it? Oh, there it is. Look at that. That LED light's going. That's very interesting. So I thought, well, this must be emitting some of those thingos, and yep, it is. Look, it's emitting an energy. And not much, but gee, it's better than a kick in the guts. But the other thing I noticed was, where's that other end? So if I take this, which is connected, we have a look, it's connected to the collector of the transistor there. Watch, I'm going to put this on here, right? That goes out, but hang on. It's not supposed to go out. It's supposed to do the opposite. Hang on a sec. Let's have a look. I'll just move that. There we go. All right, have a look. It's actually very bright, and that's on the not actually touching it, but it's actually inducing on the lead there. So that's interesting. The other thing I found was, and I'll try and get it. I'll just let that sit there. All right. I'm letting that sit there. It's still quite bright, as you can see, but it's got not really very good induction. But have a look at this. Hang on a sec. That's not bad. It's got some stuff going on there. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to touch it where the circuit touches the Slayer exciter, the Tesla coil. Right, watch this. Pretty good. Hang on. Bright as. I'll try a different one. I don't know if that one's any good. Very bright. So yeah, I found that was really interesting. It's actually it must be causing the transistor to switch on and off. I'm thinking that anyway. I don't know. Love to hear your voice. Love to hear your opinion on that. So yeah, and what was the other thing? Man, yeah, that's nice and bright. If I put that on top, what happens? I'll probably have to edit that out. Not much. No, there's really no induction there. Very, very low current. But the other thing I tried that did work is you can put it on your slags on your and I'll put it really close as possible. Hang on a sec. That's inducing that. Look, that's really bright. That is. That's pretty interesting. And look, I don't have the Slayer exciter turned on at all. It's not. There's no power or nothing. Look. So it's only coming from there, and it must be causing that sort of reaction. That's pretty interesting. So okay, just finally, I've got this transformer that's touching the circuit. It's also, the plasma ball is also touching the wire. If we have a look over there, our light is off. Now all I'm going to do is just touch the wire. The plasma ball. And look, on, off with my finger. That's because the plasma ions aren't making it to the cable. See? Hang on, that don't make sense because I'm touching it and it's on. That's weird. All right, anyway, I don't know. Love to hear what your thoughts are on that. Now, just in relation to our transformer, okay, so I'm just going to get this light here, and it's actually quite really bright as well. There you go. That's, if I turn the light off, you'll see it. That's pretty amazing. So, oh yeah, I thought you'd be interested in that. You could use any transformer, I'm guessing. Okay, there's the wire in the transformer. Oh, you got to laugh, don't you? It's fantastic. Anyway, let me know what you think about all that. Thanks for watching, and catch you on the next one.